True or false? You need a big following to get paid real green, red, or gold, or whatever color your money is from YouTube. False. In 2021, we got our channel monetized and YouTube paid us for only 2,000 subscribers. Only 2,000? Well, 1,900 to be exact. But wait, I thought you only needed 1,000 subscribers to get monetized on YouTube. Nope. There are actually multiple requirements you need to meet in order to get your channel monetized on YouTube. First off, this program is called the YouTube Partner Program. This is a simple program that allows you to get paid when ads are placed in and on your YouTube videos, because you have companies that will pay to get their offers in front of new potential buyers, aka video viewers. So all you need to do is start a YouTube channel, publish high-quality videos that solve real problems for real people, grow that channel to meet the program requirements, and then continue to publish high-quality videos so people continue to watch your videos and ads. So what are the requirements? The two main requirements that you will hear most about are: first, get at least 1,000 subscribers to your channel. Second, get 4,000 watch hours on your videos in the last 12 months. Now, just to be clear, that's 4,000 hours of watch time on public videos only. So no, hours watched on private or unlisted videos do not count. And no, hours watched on your beloved, fabulously creative, and entertaining YouTube Shorts do not count. And there are other requirements you must meet, like you must live in a country where the partner program is available. You have no guideline community strikes on your channel. You have a Google AdSense account. But don't worry, you can wait to set this up when you get monetized, which is exactly what we did. So why do I keep saying we? Because there are two of us behind this channel. Me and my lifelong friend Susie. We both post videos on this channel. So here is what happened to us this year. We actually hit the 1,000 subscriber mark way before we hit the 4,000 watch hours in a 12-month period. Yep. If we start at the beginning of 2021 and go back to January 1st, the very first day, it took us until October 11th, 2021 to hit the 4,000 public watch hour requirement. We were monetized in the beginning of October. By October 11th, we were paid $29.65. Only $29? Wait. Hold on. That's not all we made. That was just the beginning. When it comes to getting paid, there's two important things you want to know. YouTube takes 45% of the ad revenue, and you get 55%. You get paid on a certain date for the last full month. So since October was our first month for being approved for the YouTube Partner Program and monetized, we were paid $193.28. Our first month from YouTube ad revenue. For November, we were paid $242.55. So for the entire year of 2021, YouTube paid us a total of $695.75. That's almost $700 just for 3 months. Now, if you are not monetized yet on YouTube, or you do not even have a YouTube channel, definitely check out our links below for high quality training that will show you how to do this step by step. And if you want to know what it actually took to get to the 1,900 subscriber mark and the 4,000 watch hours for our videos, then keep watching. I will show you some numbers so you can have an idea of what it actually takes to get to where we are today, even with a very small channel, but getting paid consistently by YouTube every month. If you don't care about that, then please give this video a like if it helped you out, subscribe to our channel, hit the notification bell so you get notified when I post helpful videos like these, and come back to watch more of our videos. Okay, for you who are still here, thank you. Know that we appreciate your support and you watching our videos. Now, I first created my YouTube channel on November 7th of 2018 and didn't do a whole lot with it for the next couple of years. So as you can see in my analytics, I didn't actually start posting a lot of videos until June of 2020. And up until the point until we got monetized in October of 2021, we had posted roughly about 250 videos. Now, as you can see from my top videos in this period, our highest performing video got us almost 9,000 views in that time frame. Our second highest performing video got us almost 8,000 views. Now, I know what you're thinking. 250 videos! Here's the deal. The big disclaimer is there is no actual formula on how many videos it will actually take you to hit the requirements. There are some channels that have very few videos. They just get a lot of views and a lot of watch time. And there are other channels that will actually take longer than 2, 3, or 4 years to actually get monetized, with more videos and lower watch time. So at the end of the day, when you are creating your YouTube channel, the wrong way to start a YouTube channel is to just only create it to get monetized. The right way to start the YouTube channel is to solve a really specific problem for real people with real problems. When you do that, everything else will fall into play. And that is how much YouTube paid us in 2021 with a really, really small YouTube channel. And that's how we got there. So as a reminder, if this video helps you out, don't forget to give it a like, subscribe to our channel, click the notification bell so you get notified when we publish more helpful videos like these. If you have any questions, definitely leave us a comment below. And even if you have any video topic ideas that you want us to create a video about so you can learn more about, definitely comment below. We'll be happy to consider your request. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.